Happy Fibonacci Friday, my hashtag FF. I'm going to put that out here today as we, kind of spiral into the weekend. And one thing that Bitcoin's doing is kind of dropping here a little bit. But I wanted to show you something that I kind of do. This is just something that I've kind of used in the past, and it's kind of worked out for me. And so it gives me kind of a target here to watch for some of these Fibonacci breaks. Now, one of the things I like to do is if you take a trend line like here and it breaks at this point, I actually like to start my fib at that level, because I like the psychology of it, because this is trench warfare that's going on right here on this line, right? Got a whole bunch of buyers that are sitting on that line trying to hold it, and then the sellers come along with a lot of kick-ass momentum and breaks, and then the buyers have to go somewhere else. So this is a kind of that inflection point. So I want to start my retracement trend from here instead of way back here, because this is kind of where the break is. So when this comes down to a low and you set this fib, you can see the 61.8% level right here at 87.93 comes up, tests, and then works its way back down. So you find that as a resistance. So one thing to look at now is this trend right here that broke at this point. I'm looking at the fib going this direction, and you take the Fibonacci here. You can see the 61.8% level right here, and it broke with a red candle at this point, retested as resistance at this point, and is on its way to a full retracement, which the breakout point is 81.73. So that could be an area that the buyers are going to regather and kind of hold this thing from falling out of bed. So that's the area I'm going to be watching. If momentum continues to build as price comes to this level, then full retracement possibilities back to 7,300 on the break of this level could come into play. But this breakout point right here was a little bit of a change in trend. And I think that's going to be a nice little spot that you're going to find a lot of buying interest. So as Bitcoin comes down to this level of 81.73, look for an increase of buying interest and see if this thing holds to celebrate Fibonacci Friday. All right. Any questions, comments, what's going on out there? Let me know. Out on Twitter at FiboSwanny. Have a good one. Good weekend. Peace out. Happy trading.